Hi everyone. Today my topic is true and permanent happiness. Now, how to get the happiness is a big question mark. Happiness is always a choice. It is a feeling of joy, well-being and contentment. It's something living in peace, harmony with your mind, body and soul. And it does not lie outside us. It is within us. We need to find out by working hard. It's not, we won't get it in materialistic things and relationships. As materialistic things come and go, and relationships we may have today, we may or may not have tomorrow. So basically, happiness is the consequence of personal efforts which you need to fight for it, survive for it and apply on yourself. And ultimately you have to participate in the manifestation of your own blessings. I told earlier also, never look at the empty half glass. Always look at the half full glass of water. This gives us the satisfaction of what we have, and we should be thankful. And when we are thankful and we feel contented, our mind and soul remains in peaceful mode. So, my dear friends, this is the first answer to the true happiness and permanent happiness. My next reply to you is, we need to apply the formula of forgive and forget. In everybody's life, there are tensions, sadness and happiness and many other things which trouble us also. So if you consider our troubles and keep thinking about them, we can never be happy. So it is better to apply the formula of forgiving. Unless and until we forget and forgive any person who has troubled us at all in life, we cannot get happiness. Because the grudges in our mind and soul will remain there and they will keep on bothering us. Once we forgive it and forget it, then the things become easier for us. Mind and soul becomes cool and calm and happiness automatically enter your body. And apart from that, we do not look at what we have. We always look at what we do not have. That's not a correct thing, because whatever God has given is a blessing from Him. So we must appreciate that and must be thankful to that. And it is something, which we need to work hard. Forgiveness is not very easy. See, when I was small, my mom used to tell me, कोई भी बात होती थी जिससे हमारे मन में कोई ग्रज होता था, my mother used to tell me, छोड़ो ना, माफ़ कर दो, कोई बात नहीं, जाने दो, but we never let it go. But now I realize that forgiving and forgetting is the best alternative for your peace of mind and your soul remains cool. So my next point is that we must nurture our body, mind and soul. All these three things should remain in a very healthy mode. Happy mind and happy soul create a happy body. So we need to calm down and make our mind and soul very happy, so that our body, physical body and mental body will remain very, very happy and in healthy mode of life. So this leads to our mental and physical uplifting. Again, we need to do some social activities. It is very good for us to do some social activities, as we are social beings and we have some moral duties towards the society. What we can do? We can share our money, talent, art, good smiles, lovely comments to anybody who really needs it, and we will be very much blessed. And you know, there is no end if you are no end of happiness if you are blessed by anyone. So blessings are also very important in life. You still, again I would say that you need to take the blessings. Nobody will give you free, so make some efforts to get the blessings. And next point is to do the meditation. Meditation is very, very important because meditation calms our mind. It gives us internally satisfaction. From the heart we feel very filled and very grounded when we do meditation. It is very difficult to do meditation, very difficult to concentrate, but once we start, I am dead sure we can do it. You need to calm your mind, sit quietly and think that you can do it and you will do it. So, my dear friends, after doing the practice of meditation, there is no anger, no anxiety, no negativity, no backbitching. Everything becomes cool, calm and positive. And these things make you very, very contented and satisfied. When your mind and soul both are contented and in a good mode of peacefulness, then your physical body will definitely become very, very healthy. So my dear friend, not last, not the least, we all need to transform ourselves for our happiness and for our sake, because no one in this world will change for you, for your sake, for your happiness. So better change your own self. Why lead an unhappy life? Why crib? Why cry? यार छोटी सी जिंदगी है, इतनी सी, उसको हंस के जी लो, खुश हो के जी लो, खुद भी खुश रहो, दूसरों को भी खुश रखो. That should be our aim, and see where life takes you. It will definitely take you to true and permanent happiness. And these are the only things which will calm our mind, soul, and automatically our physical body will be very, very healthy. So my dear friends, I hope you understand the points and you will start doing it. And please get back to me if you have any query. I am always there. Write anything you want to write in the subscription box and I'll always be with you. I hope you like my video, and please thumbs up and share and subscribe my channel, and I'll be with you with another lovely topic. Hope you have enjoyed my video. Thank you.